Hi guys, today we're on another video to show you how to install Minecraft decoraft. But today, before you do it, you need to run Minecraft. Just run Minecraft. I shouldn't bother putting it in studio mode. Right. Stop responding. Alright, might do that. Respond. If it doesn't, I'll just stop it. I annoy him when it does that. After you restart Minecraft, you'll go and make sure the thing ain't overriding, but you'll go to in Minecraft Forge. Oh, I just search Minecraft for some reason. You're gonna go Forge, Minecraft Forge. Make sure the thing isn't overriding. Make sure it says 1.12.2. Keep checking it ain't override. Then after, just hit installer. It'll put you through this kind of adding thing. Try and get a bit of money out of you. They always do that. Then after, it gives you kind of this warning. It can't be computed, but jar files are executable files. They're very safe. But don't think it's going to harm your computer, but it won't. I've got all the bits that needs to be pasted. I lost a bit of the video, but after you open that up, then hit install client. And after you'll start up Minecraft launcher, and you'll notice you have a new profile called Forge. You just run that. Then after you install the mod, I'll show you how to do it. Just in case you've never installed mods. In case you still don't know how to install mods. That is why, obviously. It's just in case you still don't know. Yeah, this is just reasoning, just in case you don't know still how to install mods. But this is a bit of help on YouTube. Yeah. You wait for that to load. Still be an hour so far. Right, we're on to the next part. Right, it is going to launch up. So if you've turned on advanced settings and then you're in Forge, you'll notice JVM arguments. If you to turn that on, delete all that text, then you paste that in. Copy, paste. And right. Right, I want to have 4 gig. It's 4096. I'm just posh, aren't I? 496. Then do the same over this side. 4096. You want 4096. And after, you just save that, check it's still there. And after you've done all that, your mod should work, technically work. And that's the mod installed. It should say 6 mods. It would have said 4, but it will say more on there. It used to say 5 mods. It used to say a while ago. It used to say 6 mods loaded, and that's gone a bit down a little bit. It has changed in that time. Right, I'll be loading. Hey, Forge. Sometimes it won't really. It won't say Minecraft, not the light. Which it's almost a year ago, almost. It's a long time ago since I've done that. Yeah. You can see the mods on there. Many mods are loading on that. Before it starts, actually, on them red lines. It won't do that without mods, it only does it with it. So you can see the RAM there, can't the green. Here it goes again, that will change to red, as I've actually do that before. It's a gig, this mod. It's kind of really laggy. And I'll prove to you it's loaded. I'll show you. It adds you in your furniture after. I've now been YouTubing YouTube videos. And then I haven't got any mods, I haven't got any worlds. And decoraft, and they're there. And us creating it. Super flat. Super flat. You can change your all stuff here, so you can go preset. Where it says 2 there, you can go 100. Now that will be 100 bits of dirt. Then you're at the bottom. I might have accidentally set it in survival. If I have, I have. And that it might come up with errors, but if it does, I won't make you wait all through it. And today, that's a video I had for you today. And there you go. I've loaded you into a super flat world. You got 4 pages of your mods, haven't you? Props, you've got all that. That. You get a player with all of this. All this You get to play with all this. Hospital equipment. This. Computer stuff. Shop stuff. All this. Worth of furniture. But please like and subscribe, and right, that's it. Then after this, your mods are installed. Just check that you can go into here. And right, and that's it. You can play around with my mod now. You can play with decoraft now. And please like and subscribe, and right, that's